What's up everyone, it's your boy Hima and I have good news. I just got a dope haircut and it was only $10. So cheap. And the really good news is Ethereum, yeah, you heard it right, Ethereum, Bitcoin's sister, actually just passed its all-time high. What? Now, this is gonna be a really short video. I'm gonna give you few pointers as to why this is an important time right now. Again, Ethereum, a good choice to consider to buy, but it's getting heated up, guys. It's getting heated up, and I personally will be buying some Ethereum in the coming days, of course. And I will tell you why I will be buying it, because it's now showing stronger bullish patterns. So let's get to the charts and find out what's going to happen. And of course, if you're new to here, welcome to the channel, and if you are not so new, thank you so much for tuning in. And please, if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. I will be doing more of these funky yet informative and funny videos for you guys in the future. So, and this is not financial advice as well, so I have to give you the disclaimer. This is purely for educational and entertainment purposes only. So let's get to it. All right guys, so we are at the charts right now, and as you can see, Ethereum just passed the previous highs, which was at $1,406. It's currently past that limit, and by the time I upload this video tomorrow, this is now 19th of January at it's 10:53. Of course, I'll be uploading this video tomorrow at 7 p.m. and hopefully it'll be even further up, but so let's get to it now. So this was the previous line, and of course it broke that line. That means that we are currently in price discovery. Woo! All right, and few things that we have to notice right now is, of course, the volume here. As you can see, the volume throughout, like, what I find interesting about Ethereum compared to Litecoin and Polkadot is that these 1 or 2 years, of course, this was a bear market for this. This boom happened and then it just went down. The volume actually looks consistent, so which is a good thing. That means that there's more liquidity in this asset, so it's a good thing. So we are over here. Of course, the volume is obviously increasing, but again, which is a good sign. Now so we obviously broke this level, all right, and the RSI indicator looks good as well, but if it's to come down, it should come down to this level and it should go up. Okay, so some of you might think, will this come crashing down? We have to talk about that, because that's a possibility. And if it does, I think it won't go below this point, because this is a major support point. Of course, I did a Fibonacci retracement. Basically, how you do it is you take the lowest point, which was of course the March crash, and then you take it to the highest point, and then you get these levels. So these are your support and resistance levels, and if it's to come down, it should come down somewhere in this green zone, which is this major support zone. All right, but the interesting thing that I want to show you guys is, so there are chart patterns, right? You have your bullish chart patterns, bearish chart patterns. Have you guys heard of a chart pattern called cup and handle, right? So this is basically a cup and handle. So a cup and handle basically indicates that this chart will go up. Of course, it's showing strong bullish momentum, right? So this is of course a Nasdaq stock. Look at this movement over here, and it forms a small handle, and then it took off. So this is what a cup and handle is. This is very famous. If you guys don't know, of course, do your research on it. But this is going to be a short video, so I won't be doing a whole in-depth analysis of what this chart pattern is. But this is a good sign that Ethereum might shoot to the moon. All right, so as you can see, this cup, I'm gonna draw it. So this is the cup. All right, so that's the cup bottom, and of course there should be a small handle, and then it will boom, right, shoot right up. Okay, so it might, I don't know how long it will take, but this is a good sign. So this is a really strong bullish indicators. All of this, including the RSI and the chart and the volume, shows us green signs. So should you get in? Now I personally do not have any Ethereum at the moment, but I am thinking of jumping in right now. But again, this is going to be a short-term trade, of course, because people will get in even later because they do not want to get into the fear of missing out. So I will get in, but I won't put a lot of money into it, maybe $500 or $1,000, or maybe somewhere below $1,000. I remember during June, July, this was at 400, 600, 500. I wanted to get in, but I'm like, nah. But yeah, so again, if you want to buy in, I personally recommend that you do right now. I personally will put some money in it, but not all of it. Now the game is getting crazy, so we have to be very careful. And again, if it's to come down, of course, please have your stop losses. Right? You need to have a stop loss, and of course you need to have an exit strategy. So if I'm buying in right now, I'm gonna have a 50% stop loss. 15% stop loss from $1,400 would be somewhere around here. So it's about $1,220, $1,200 mark would be my exit strategy. But of course we are talking about crypto. Now crypto does weird things compared to stocks. So again, I have an even intense stop loss, which is of course this $1,000 range, but I don't personally think it will come to that level right now, because this is about to do crazy things from the looks of it. But again, nothing is certain. Future is uncertain. We do not know what will happen. Of course, every one of these markets are sensitive to major catastrophes and of course many news. So you gotta be very careful. Of course, have a stop loss. Keep an eye on news, what's going on in the world, and have an exit strategy. So my exit strategy is, if I'm to get in right now, I will be looking at somewhere around $2,500 or maybe $3,000. But again, I haven't decided yet because I haven't bought Ethereum yet. But I will do a portfolio update. But it's a green light from me. But again, please do your own research. Don't listen to people on YouTube. Of course, none of us are financial advisors. Again, do your own research. All right, always listen to the market news. Have a stop loss. You don't put all of your hard-earned money into this. All right, so put a small amount, have a stop loss, and have an exit strategy, and keep an eye on what's going on. All right, guys, peace.